Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a lot shorter than normal. I'm showing you how I make this tiny French table, and I had a video request for a diorama in a cigar box, so that's coming up soon and I needed a table for that diorama. So I thought I'd just do like a quick video on how I made that for you guys. And I will see you in the next one. If you like the video, you know, thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, whatever, and we will see you, oh no, don't need that. We will see you in the next video. Bye.
Now, I've never made a table like this before. I got a reference image from the internet and then drew out pattern pieces at the correct scale for this model. I had to look at how they actually built furniture like this in the past to figure out how to make all of the pieces and fit them together properly for the mini. I'm tracing out one half of the tabletop and then flipping it over and tracing the other side so that I can make sure it's symmetrical. Next, I'm cutting 4 wooden 1/4-inch blocks for the legs. Then I'm tracing out the shape of the legs onto 2 sides of the wooden blocks. This table has cabriole legs, which can be a little bit tricky to even understand how to cut out. So I recommend, if you're going to try these, to look at some videos on how they make them for large scale furniture online, just so that you can get an idea before you start cutting of what you're doing. Next, I'm cutting out the leg pieces. I'm using a saw that I used ages ago in my jewelry class that I don't know if I'm still using correctly, and I don't want to teach you guys the improper way of doing things, so definitely check out how to use a jeweler's saw in case you pick one up and want to try and cut wood with it. I'm not sure that I was doing it safely, and that's my disclaimer. Do not try at home without first researching this tool. But as an alternative to that saw, on soft wood like balsa wood, you can use an Xactoknife or a hobby knife. I'm sanding the chair smooth with my Dremel, and this is a step you can also just substitute normal sandpaper for. And then I am carving out the little designs on the top of the legs and the bottom with an Xactoknife. Purely out of curiosity, I decided to try and engrave the design that's on the table, the front of the table, with my Dremel, and I think I actually like carving it with an Xactoknife a lot better, so I would have preferred to have done the whole thing like that, but part of being an artist is you try different things out and see what you like, so thought I'd show you guys both methods. I've made notches in the top parts of the legs for the apron of the table to fit into, and then I'm gluing it together, and that's just going to create more stability for the table. Not that we really need it because it's a mini, but that's how I saw it made online in big form, so I'm just recreating what I see. Next, I'm staining the wood and going over it with a wash of black acrylic paint for aging purposes, and just gluing together all of the pieces to the tabletop. For the finishing touches, I'm distressing the top of the table and just making it look used and well worn since it is an antique. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please do remember to subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And thank you to all the people who already subscribed. I can't believe we're up to like 700 subscribers. You guys are awesome. I will see you in the next video.